What's up guys, this is Hemant Raj here, and today we are looking at how we can install the Windows 11 on your VMware. With that being said, if you end up liking this video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's begin the show. First things first, go ahead to the link in the description and download up the VMware Workstation 16.0 for your Windows PC. So once you have downloaded it, you can simply go through the installation. So it's a simple go setup, you need not worry much on it. So yeah, the setup is loading right now. So yeah, once the setup is loaded, you can simply click on next, then agree to the terms and conditions and click on next, and there you go, next. You can customize the setup based on your requirements, but the basic setup is pretty clear. So you can just go ahead and click on install so that the complete VMware Workstation 16.0 player gets installed to your Windows PC. So alongside, you need to also go ahead and download the Windows 11 ISO file. So if you are having a official one, you can simply just place it up in an ISO file, or you can just download any of the Windows 11 ISO file from the internet itself. I'll be providing up some links in the description. You can give a try on it. So once your VMware is installed, you can just go ahead and click on finish. Now it will ask if you want to restart the PC so that the setup completes successfully. You can go ahead and restart, or restart later when you're free. So once things are done, you can click on finish and the VMware Workstation 16 player comes into play. Now click on create new virtual machine and select browse, and right in there select the ISO file that you have downloaded and click on next. Next, you need to give a name for the machine, so I'm entering Windows 11 as the default name. Now once you're good, you can select up a location, and next you need to select up a disk size. So you can just enter the values that I'm entering here. Go ahead and click on next and click on customize hardware. So you need to boost up a bit on your memory, as the default memory is around 2 GB. You need to just push it up to around 4 GB. 4 GB would be fine. If you are good enough, you can also go ahead and shoot it to 8 GB of RAM. So 4 GB of RAM should be running good as well. So once you're done, click on finish, and it's gonna create a file and set up the complete machine for you. So immediately when you see this hit any key, you need to hit a key, or else you'll see a message saying timeout. So I'm just gonna install up and upgrade up these things. You can do it, or you can just skip out these things. It's not a kind of mandatory. So yeah, when you hit any key in the next boot, automatically you see Windows 11 setup starting up. So you see in the background the Windows 11 setup has begun. You can just go ahead and run through the Windows 11 setup. Click on install now and you select up your version. So I have two versions, that is a Pro and Enterprise. I'll go with the Pro version and go ahead with the custom installation. Allocate some of your hard drive space and hit OK, and there you go. Click on install and now the Windows 11 installation begins. So the process might take a bit of time, so you can just go ahead and have a cup of coffee and come back before the things get into the position. So once the installation is done, you see the Windows 11 boots up to its first boot. The first boot may take a couple of minutes. As you know, the first boot sets up all the files and all the files and things into its place. So it takes a couple of minutes, but once it's done, you have a setup. It's a kind of a short setup, just like how you see in Android. It's pretty similar to it. You can just run through the setup, and once you're done with setting up that, your Windows 11 is ready to use. Just go ahead and enjoy it. If you have any more queries, you can just drop them out in the comment box. I'll try to answer them as fast as possible. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. This is Hemant Raj signing out for now, and I'll catch you guys next time. Till then, peace out.